It was an opportunity to spend more time with my daughter.
Pursue things that I maybe once thought was not possible.
I wished someone was saying more of a message of what I was thinking. I couldn't find anyone. And so I was like, man, I guess I have to say it.
I have the inspiration.
I've been watching documentaries since I was a kid.
I got into gaming ever since I was 6. Ever since then, I was hooked.
As I started to cook, I realized that actually I love it a lot.
I can really accept anything as long as I get the opportunity to write something, create something.
I do this because I want to make documentaries.
Just watching that for a few hours, I was like, wow, this is something I want to get into.
I find like my passion still grows. To this day, I think if you ask any cook, what's the best thing in the world, it would be cooking for people and seeing them enjoy your food.
Making things has always been part of my life, so I see it as a natural extension of what I do.
I like to see my designs become physical objects. I like seeing people pay money for my objects.
That's a huge part of why I'm actually doing what I do, just to create and create and create.
Kids, when they are born, their imagination is just very wild, and what happens to us as adults is along the way kind of like just slowly fades away.
We're not raising a generation of makers.
I took a marketing job. Actually, after 1 or 2 weeks, I knew I'm gonna be gone after 1 to 3 months.
It took a very long time for me to accept that I was not happy.
I didn't feel that I wanted to go and do the same thing every day, and I would be spending my time building up someone else's business.
Money isn't everything. I mean, you need it, but it's not everything. I'm doing something that I love, and I'm happy doing it. So that is all that matters.